Want to build a cost-effective ramp that'll help your dog get up and down the deck stairs? Then watch this. It ain't pretty, but it's practical and it works. In our case, this cost us almost nothing because we used leftover lumber from taking apart a deck, which included a combination of 1x6s, 2x4s, 2x6s, and a 2x8 along the edge so that the dog would not fall off the edge of the ramp. Then we purchased and cut to size a rubber mat for extra traction. And as you can see, Zoe has no problem going up and down the ramp with such confidence. Now let's move on inside and I'll show you the very simple, cost-effective little project we made to help your dog get on and off your bed or possibly your couch if it's going to snuggle with you. So because we had to make something in a pinch to help our older dog be able to get off the bed, couch, or even into the car, we decided to make our own steps and again as economical as possible. To make this little project, all we did was run to Canadian Tire, or you could go to a craft store and pick up a plain wooden crate and a piece of foam mat. Because we couldn't find the extra crate in the right height, we made our own box out of plywood and screwed it into the crate. Then we cut the mat to size and stapled it onto the steps for grip and to prevent getting any slivers in the dog's paws. And the handle cutouts in the crate make it easy to carry it around from room to room. And bam, made in under an hour and under 25 bucks. So of course, these projects, you can definitely make things a little fancier and go all out, and that's great, but I'm all about being economical and practical. So by all means, if anyone out there has made any kind of steps or ramps for their dogs and want to share their ideas, please add it in the comments below.